Hi, so I'm going to be showing you how to make quick edits using Wix for your website. So this is my dummy website for my brand. There's technically nothing in it yet, but I've made it out of the template from Wix. So if you want to add Wix, it's very simple. It's basically just drag and drop, and there's a lot of buttons here that will be helping you to upgrade your site. So let's say we want to add a page, or we want to customize part of it. So let's say this one, we're gonna edit this. So right now what we have there is the blog name. You will be seeing all sorts of elements. So there's the business name. You can edit it. You can make it bold font. You can add a link. You can put an underline on it, italize it. And then there's the menu. Here's the menu. You can put it there. You can remove it. You can add to the menu. See, you can edit that. And then you can edit the section design. You can add a tagline, a logo, site email, phone number, buttons. You can add buttons like get in touch. You can add social accounts. Let's remove the button that I put there. You can put a site email. That's my email. So let's say I added that. And then what else can we do? So that's the header. So if I exit, what's gonna happen is that it's already edited up here. Alright. Then if we're gonna be designing it, you can customize it. There's a fix, transfer, regular. You can pick colors for your header. You can access other colors. See, that's your main color. You can choose other colors based on your recommended palette. You can have it like that. You can edit palette colors. So, like I'm showing you right now, there's a lot you can do. You can pick new themes actually, but I like my current theme. So let's say that's it. If by any chance you want to move parts of your blog, like let's say you want this up, you just click on it and it will be moved up. And see, this one went down. Let's say you want to move this down, click on down. It's gonna go down. What's gonna be up there is the contact. And if you want to edit the design, you can do so. You can just select actions that you want to do, check design, check edit, and so on and so forth. So those are the pages that we're going to be adding. Let's see here. There's manage app. So if you want apps to be added to your website, you can choose here what you want to add. So let's say we want to add Instagram feed. You click on that, and then it says it will show above the footer on your home page. And you can check which page you want it to go to. You could create a new page, or you could put it on your own page. So let's try add home page. Okay, so it's loading. Okay. So now you can see there. You can add your Instagram. And then you can just sort the settings and so on and so forth. Now, how about adding a page? So you already have your current pages, which you can edit, of course. You can just add your own page. Here are the recommendations. Let's say we're going to add an about. So you can choose from here what you want to put in. There are a lot of stuff you can add. So let's say we choose this one. So you're gonna have an about page. Keep going. So you can also edit the information here. So all the info, what you need to know, description, you just click on it and type out what you need to type. There's also the form that we had earlier. And then when you're done, see, Wix is already saving automatically. So it's very, very easy. So after it's saved, what we can do is we can check the preview so we can see what the site looks like live. So this is the about page. So that's it. We can go back to the ADI editor. So that's the about page. Then we can go back to home. When we go back to home, if you want to see what your home page looks like, click on the preview. You scroll down. So this is what it looks like when a visitor pops in. All right. So basically that's it. That's how easy it is to edit a website using Wix. All right. Thank you for watching.